Okay, this is my latest router table. This is the basic model with the 1020 Silverline router in there. There's a 1/4 inch router. So to fit this router, I took the base plate off, replaced the grub screws with M4 bolts straight through into the base plate of the router. The reason for that is to secure the router in a stable place, so there's no slipping or sliding at high speed. The actual weight of the router is taken by the coach bolts and the stud bar through the base plate. To operate this router, the first thing we need to do is place a clamp across the on-off switch. Now, if you can look at this, see this clearly, we have the plug socket here that comes out and goes into the outside NVR switch. The NVR switch goes straight into the wall with this one, and at this point we can operate the router easily through the NVR switch on the side. So the reason for the router not being permanently wired in is you can simply take this router out and use it as a standard router as well. No damage to it. So that won't affect the guarantee in any way. Okay, so this is my latest model with a router. Thanks for watching.